today is 27th of February. I'm just at Coffee Bay. Hindi ko alam kung kita siya. I got their Spanish latte. So, you know how typically ayaw natin ng dome lid because it's not giving iced coffee. But, oh my gosh, sobrang sarap nung Spanish latte nila. Like, I judged it way too fast. I have a meeting somewhere here lang in Friendship Town. God, ang sarap niya. I have a meeting here today. And then after that, I'm gonna have to head to the bank. Might do a cafe work day ulit. Because I still need to finish a lot of editing and stuff like that. So, let's go. Okay, so now I'm back in the car and I'm trying this angle again kasi nga ang gulo nitong tripod na to. It's literally like a clip. And then yung tripod na pinakita ko sa inyo from the last video, nasira siya, nakakaloka. Anyway, so I got here around 10. Siguro mga 1 hour lang naman yung meeting namin. So right now, I still have time to go to the bank real quick kasi I need to fix something lang. And then I'm thinking of going to the mall real quick as well. I need to get something real quick and then hanap tayo ng coffee shop na I can work at. So let's go. I am now done with nakaganon talaga ako. So I'm now done at the bank and now I realize hindi pa pala ako nagbabayad ng bills like other bills. So I am gonna go real quick sa water station and sa electric kasi maaga pa naman and feeling ko if ipa-later ko pa to baka ma-stuck ako sa traffic. So unahin ko yon and then let's try to go to the mall.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do.
I'm just gonna be heading home and at least doon can manage my time with the meetings. Tapos feeling ko ipupush through ko na lang mag-work.
The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be.
Hindi ko kayo makita legit and I hope okay lang yung angle natin. I'm inside Clark, so palabas ako ng, I don't know which gate this is. I just finished with church. I wasn't able to do like a intro vlog kanina kasi when I parked, dun ako sa inside na parking. So parang hindi tayo kita. I just attended church. Now, I'm gonna be heading to yung favorite Korean restaurant ko na I've been telling you about for the past vlogs and na-realize ko, since nag-crave ako kanina, sabi ko, dun kaya ako mag-early dinner. Tapos na-realize ko, hindi ko rin pala siya vinlog pa. So, today is the day. We're gonna go there. And yeah, I think the whole day yun lang. Very chill lang today. I just stayed at home and then went to church and then, yeah. See me and it's so dark, but I figured mawawala na naman ng light in a bit. So I don't know how much clips I was able to take from today because I know this is gonna be a joint vlog from Friday. That was so good. I had kimbap and fish cake. It was so good. As you can see, sobrang laki nung kimbap nila. It's like the best kimbap I've tried here so far. Like, I remember I was watching this like food vlogger, parang na Korean, and she was saying you would know na a kimbap is really good if yung portion ng rice compared to the like actual vegetables and meat inside is like really little, and yun yung exactly how that one is. As you can see, it's there. So like I was only able to finish like 5 of them, and I'm gonna bring the rest home kasi feeling ko hindi ko usually pag nafe-feel kong slightly nabubusog na ako, I stop because I do have hyperacidity, so I can't like get extremely full. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, I'm sorry if it's so short, but yes, I will see you on my next one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.